Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan yogurt in your Instant Pot. First, gather your simple ingredients. 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of a high-quality vegan probiotic capsule, and 1 tablespoon of a thickener like agar-agar or cornstarch. It's crucial to ensure your Instant Pot is sparkling clean and sanitized to prevent any unwanted bacteria from interfering with your yogurt. This method leverages the Instant Pot's dedicated yogurt function for consistently perfect results every single time. Now let's prepare our base. In a separate bowl, whisk together the full-fat coconut milk and your chosen thickener until the mixture is completely smooth and free of lumps. Once combined, carefully pour this creamy mixture into the Instant Pot's inner pot. Next, select the yogurt function on your Instant Pot and adjust the time to heat the milk. We want to bring the temperature up to precisely 180 degrees Fahrenheit, which helps to create the ideal environment for fermentation. This next step is vital for successful fermentation. After heating, allow the coconut milk to cool down to a specific temperature, 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the perfect temperature for our probiotics. Open your probiotic capsules and gently sprinkle the powder into the cooled milk, stirring it in carefully. Then, close the Instant Pot lid and set the yogurt function for anywhere from 8 to 12 hours, depending on how tangy you prefer your finished yogurt. Once the fermentation cycle is complete, carefully remove the inner pot from your Instant Pot. You'll notice a slightly thickened consistency. Give it a gentle stir. Now, transfer your freshly made vegan yogurt into clean, airtight containers. Place these containers in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This chilling period is essential as it allows the yogurt to thicken further and develop its final texture. Your homemade vegan yogurt will stay wonderfully fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.